It's Akov here with another video for Sample Genie. The last couple of videos I did were focused on bass and drum production. However, this time I'm going to go in depth with my mixing process for neurofunk and specifically that heavier sound. I want to talk about kind of mixing and how I think of mixing as like being in 3D. So essentially you've got loudness, which is like up and down. And then you've got kind of dynamics, which are like near and far. And then you've got stereo, which is like right and left, or you could say like the width. And I think when you consider all those things, you're essentially mixing in a 3D space as opposed to thinking just like up and down in terms of volume. I also want to talk about the sounds that you use and how they define the mix, and how it's impossible to have a good mix unless you actually know how to make good sounds in the first place. We've got access to good samples, and I want to talk about what defines actually what makes a good sample and a good sound.